Facing a corrupted system is never fun, but with these steps, you can restore your Ubuntu system. First, create a bootable Ubuntu installation USB using an ISO downloaded from the official Ubuntu website and tools like Rufus or Balinature. Plug this into your computer. Access your BIOS or UEFI settings, usually by pressing Delete, F2, F12, or S during startup. Change the boot order to prioritize your USB. Restart your computer. It will now boot from the USB. Select Install Ubuntu from the menu. On the installation type screen, choose Erase Disk and install Ubuntu to start with a clean slate. You'll receive a confirmation message warning that all data will be deleted. Make absolutely certain the correct disk is selected, and then proceed. Wait patiently as Ubuntu installs. You'll be prompted to set your time zone, keyboard layout, and create a user account. Once the installation completes, restart, and you'll have a fresh Ubuntu system ready for use.